Hi YouTubers, how are you today? I couldn't leave this month without showing you these diced country style potatoes. They're from the northern guys and they're going to be good. You're going to need a russet potato, some butter, some olive oil, avocado oil, salt and pepper, and you want to dice your potato like that. Okay, I have some water boiling, and before I do this I want to put some salt in there. You want to give them a salt bath. Then we're going to put these potatoes into the water for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, let them cook about 4 or 5 minutes, not overcooked, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys, it's been 5 minutes. You want to go into that potato and see if you can take a fork, make it fork tender is what you want. You want your potato just like that. We're going to take them, drain them, and I'm going to show you how to make these northern country diced potatoes. All right, what you want to do next is this. Put your little olive oil or avocado oil, the oil that you desire for your potatoes. You put it in there. And what we're going to do next is we're going to just use a little bit of butter. I'm going to put it in just like that. Okay? All right, after that oil and butter come together, put those potatoes in there. And what you want to do right now, if you desire salt and pepper on your potatoes, you want to go ahead and put your salt and pepper on. Okay? And a little pepper. Don't flip them or anything. Let them stay still for about 3-4 minutes, okay? You can cover them if you like, but babysit them also. Southern country style potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna let them sit for a minute, guys, and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back, but it's been about 5 minutes. That's what you want. And you want to flip them over. See that? That's what you want, honey. You want that. You can put whatever you want on these potatoes. I'm going to go in with a little bit of smoked paprika and let these babies go for another 4 or 5 minutes, and I'll be back. All right, going in with just a little paprika, not much, just a little bit of smoked paprika on our southern fried diced potatoes, guys. Country style potatoes. A1. All right, see you in 5 minutes. All right, guys, turn that heat off that stove and look at your country style diced potatoes. You guys, it don't get no better than this. I'm gonna take them out and let you guys see this. These are so good. My grandma Ruby used to make them all the time. It's nothing but love in these potatoes. All right, guys, I'll let this thumbnail get done and I'll see you all in a day or so. Voila!